Hello and welcome to English Time with Ben. My name is Ben. I am from the United States. I am happy that you are here. Today the episode is about using social media. Using social media is part of life for many people. You can learn new words. You can practice writing. You can meet new friends. You can share ideas. You can ask questions. You can follow people who teach you English. You can also make mistakes and learn from them. In this lesson, I will give simple phrases. I will give short sentences. I will give practice lines. I will help you speak and write about social media in English. Now I will give an example of how you should introduce yourself. Listen and repeat. Repeat after me. Hello, my name is Ben. I am from the United States. I like learning English. I use social media to practice. I also like to share videos and photos. Please follow me if you want more lessons. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that you heard. Pause now if you want. Repeat the lines one by one. Good work. Let us start with basic words. These words will help you talk about social media. Friend, follow, like, comment, post, share, message, upload, download, photo, video, profile, bio, story, feed, timeline, subscribe, channel, comment, reply, tag, mention, hashtag, privacy, settings, direct message, DM. Learn these words. Say them out loud. Repeat after me. Friend. Follow. Like. Comment. Post. Share. Message. Upload. Download. Photo. Video. Profile, bio, story, feed, timeline, subscribe, channel, reply, tag, mention, hashtag, privacy, settings, direct message, DM. Now some simple sentences for a profile. Use these sentences to write your profile or bio. I am a student of English. I am learning English every day. I like music and travel. I love food and books. I work as a teacher. I am a photographer. I make short videos. I post photos of my life. I share tips and ideas. I teach English on my channel. I am happy to meet new friends. I speak a little English. I want to speak more English. I practice every day. Now some short sentences for captions. Use a caption when you post a photo or video. Here are examples. Good morning from New York. I am at the park. It is a sunny day. Coffee time with friends. New recipe today. I love reading books. Watch my new video. Link in bio. Check my new post. Tag a friend who likes this. What do you think? Leave a comment below. Use an emoji if you like. Now some simple sentences for comments and replies. Use these to talk on posts. Nice photo. Great job. I like this. So cute. Very funny. I agree. Me too. Good luck. Congratulations on your new job. Well done. Send my best wishes. Thank you for sharing. This is helpful. I learned a lot. Can you tell me more? Where did you buy this? I love the color. Nice work. Now some sentences for direct messages. Use these for private talks. Hello, how are you? I like your post. Can we talk? I have a question. Do you have time? I am learning English. Can you help me practice? Thank you for your message. I appreciate your help. Let us meet online. Are you free tonight? Can I send a voice message? Please send the link. I will follow you back. Now some phrases for asking people to follow you. Use these when you want more followers. Please follow my account. I post new lessons every week. Subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell. Like this video if you enjoy it. Share with your friends. Leave a comment below. Follow me for more tips. Join our group for practice. Send a message to join. Now we talk about hashtags. Hashtags help people find your post. Use a hashtag with a word and the sign. For example, hashtag travel. For English lessons, use hashtag learn English. Use simple hashtags. Use 2 or 3 hashtags. Too many hashtags can look messy. Use hashtags that match your post. Now let us practice a full short dialogue. I will speak. Then you repeat. Hello, how are you? I am fine. Thank you. How about you? I am fine too. What are you doing? I am posting a new photo. Nice. I will like it. Thank you. Do you want to meet online? Yes. What time is good for you? At 7 p.m. is good. See you then. Goodbye. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that you heard. Pause now if you want. Repeat the whole dialogue with me. Good job. Now a longer example. This is a monologue that you can use as a caption or as a short post. Read and repeat. Hello everyone. My name is Ben. I am from the United States. I love to learn and to teach English. Today I want to share a tip about using social media to practice English. Use short sentences when you write. Use simple words. Write one idea per sentence. This makes your message clear. Post every day if you can. Reply to comments in a kind way. Follow people who post good content. Save posts that help you. Try to use new words in your own posts. If you use new words, you will remember them. Do not worry about mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Keep going and you will improve. Thank you for reading. Repeat after me. Hello everyone. My name is Ben. I am from the United States. I love to learn and to teach English. Today I want to share a tip about using social media to practice English. Pause the video and repeat that last sentence. Good work. Now a practice for voice messages. Practice speaking in simple sentences. Hi, this is Ben. I am sending a voice message to practice English. I am learning new words today. I hope you are well. Tell me about your day. I like to listen and to learn. Send me a voice message back. I will listen and reply. Repeat after me. Hi, this is Ben. I am sending a voice message to practice English. I am learning new words today. I hope you are well. Tell me about your day. Now some safety tips. Social media is useful, but you must be safe. Do not share your home address. Do not share your phone number with people you do not know. Be careful with personal information. Use privacy settings on your account. Check who can see your posts. Block and report people who are rude. Do not meet a stranger alone. Use public places and tell a friend or family member. Trust your instincts. If something feels wrong, stop, contact and get help. Now some polite phrases for disagreement. Use these to be kind online. I see your point. But I think differently. I understand. I have a different view. I respect your opinion. Let us agree to disagree. Thank you for your thought. Peaceful talk helps us learn. Now some phrases for apology. Use these when you make a mistake. I am sorry. I did not mean to hurt you. Please forgive me, I made a mistake. I will correct it. Thank you for understanding. Apologize if you make a wrong post or comment. It is okay to say sorry. Now practice a longer dialogue about social media advice. I will speak and then you repeat. Hello, my friend. I want to grow my channel. Do you have any tips? Yes, make good content. Post regularly. Use a clear profile photo. Write a short bio. Use good titles. Use relevant hashtags. Engage with your audience. Reply to comments. Collaborate with others. Thank you. I will try that. Good luck. You can pause the video and repeat each sentence. Pause now. Ready. Repeat after me. Hello, my friend. I want to grow my channel. Do you have any tips? Yes, make good content. Post regularly. Use a clear profile photo. Write a short bio. Use good titles. Use relevant hashtags. Engage with your audience. Reply to comments. Collaborate with others. Thank you. I will try that. Good luck. Now some tips for making good posts. Use a clear photo or video. Use short and simple text. Ask a question to start a conversation. Use 1 or 2 hashtags. Add a call to action. For example, ask people to like or comment. Use bright and clear photos. Use good lighting for videos. Speak slowly and clearly. Edit your post before you publish it. Check for spelling mistakes. Ask a friend to read it first. Now some tips for better English on social media. Write short sentences. Use common words. Use simple grammar. Use action words. Use present tense for now. Use past tense for what happened. Use future tense for plans. Read your post aloud before you post. Listen to native speakers and repeat. Follow simple English accounts. Save good posts for study. Practice daily. Now a practice session for replies and comments. I will show a post line. Then I will give 3 reply options. Pick one and repeat it. Post line. I made a new cake today. Option 1. Wow, that looks delicious. Option 2. Great job. You are so good. Option 3. Can you share the recipe, please? Repeat the option you like out loud. Now another post line. I am learning English. Option 1. Keep it up. You will do well. Option 2. What is your study method? Option 3. I can help you practice. Repeat one option now. Good. Now a short practice for asking questions on social media. Ask simple questions to start a chat. Where are you from? What do you do? What is your favorite food? Do you like music? What is your favorite movie? How do you learn English? Can you share a tip? What is your hobby? Ask one question now. Repeat after me. Where are you from? What do you do? What is your favorite food? Do you like music? Now some language to make friends online. Be polite and kind. Say hello. Say your name. Say where you are from. Say what you like. Ask about the other person. Offer help and ask for help. Share a photo or short video. Invite them to a chat. Say thank you and say goodbye. Use good manners online. Now a small role play. I will be a and you can be B. I will give her and then you say B. A hello, I am Tom. B hello Tom, I am Sarah. Nice to meet you. A where are you from? B I am from Mexico. A what do you do? B I am a student. I study English. A how do you practice? B I watch videos and I write posts. A do you use social media to learn? B yes I do. A that is great. B thank you. Repeat each line and practice your voice. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that you heard. Now some do not do tips. Do not post private information. Do not argue in public threads. Do not spam people with messages. Do not write rude comments. Do not copy other people's work. Give credit when it is needed. If you copy an image or a song, say where it comes from. Now a practice for writing a short post. I will give a simple template. Say the template and then fill it with your own words. Template. Greeting. Short idea. A photo or video note. A question. A call to action. Example. Hi everyone. I am trying a new recipe today. Photo of the meal. Do you like this dish? Comment below. Try this now and tag a friend. Now you try. Pause and think. Fill the template with your own idea. Say your post out loud. Now a practice for messages to new followers. Use kind words. Example. Hello and thank you for following. I am Ben from the United States. I share short English lessons here. I hope you enjoy my posts. If you want a topic, tell me. Have a great day. Try to send a similar message to new followers. Repeat after me. Hello and thank you for following. I am Ben from the United States. I share short English lessons here. I hope you enjoy my posts. If you want a topic, tell me. Have a great day. Now a tip for learning from others. Watch videos with subtitles. Read captions and copy new words. Try to write a short comment in English. Send voice messages to practice speaking. Join live sessions and ask a question. Practice with friends. Keep a notebook of new words and phrases. Review them regularly. Now a short quiz for practice. I will say a sentence and you change it to past tense. I post a photo today. Change to past. I posted a photo yesterday. Good. I write a caption now. Change to past. I wrote a caption. I upload a video today. Change to past. I uploaded a video. Try a few more with your own sentences. Now we practice making new friends with a post. I will give a post and you write a comment in your head. Post. I love hiking and travel. Comment idea. That sounds great. I love hiking too. Where is your favorite place? I would love to visit. Repeat your comment out loud. This is good practice. Now some final practice lines to repeat after me. I use social media to practice English. I write simple sentences. I post photos and videos. I reply to comments kindly. I join live chats to speak. I send voice messages to improve my speaking. I follow people who teach me new things. I do not share private information. I use privacy settings. I stay safe online. That is all for today. Thank you for watching and practicing with me. Do not forget to subscribe to English Time with Ben. See you next time. Goodbye and good luck with your English practice.